Hello, kids! Let's learn the alphabets together. A. A is for alligator. Alligator. B. B is for balloon. Balloon. C. C is for car. Car. D. D is for drums. Drums. E. E is for elephant. Elephant. F. F is for frog. Frog. G. G is for gifts. Gifts. H. H is for helicopter. Helicopter. I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K. K is for kite. Kite. L. L is for lion. Lion. M. M is for monkey. Monkey. N. N is for nest. Nest. O. O is for owl. Owl. P. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q. Q is for queen. Queen. R. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. S. S is for star. Star. T. T is for train. Train. U. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. V. V is for volcano. Volcano. W. W is for whale. Whale. X. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Great job, friends! Don't forget to come back for more fun and learning. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun videos.